In fake vaccination scam, Mumbai police have arrested 4 people after filing an FIR. To talk on that, we have with us Guardian Minister for Mumbai City, Mr. Aslam Sheikh. Mr. Sheikh, why police took so much time, 4 days to file an FIR and arrest people when there were 3 instances which were getting reported continuously in media?
See, the planning and implementation of vaccination, which is a part of a central government, is a failure. I told you that day only. We had removed a circular. Anyone who wants to do vaccination, they has to take the permission. They has to inform the local MOH, the local municipal office, which the society did not do. So it took a time for investigation, and now a detailed report has been submitted to the municipal commissioner, as well as I had directed to the police commissioner to investigate this matter. And now the FIR has been filed, and people have been arrested, and definitely there is a chances that it might be a big scam.
As you say, there is a chance that there might be a big scam. My direct question to you is that this would have been not possible without any person who is insider, whether he is connected to the BMC, whether he is connected to the state government, because the certificates which have been issued to these people, they are from the various hospitals as well as from one of the BMC-run COVID center. What you have to say about it?
See, first of all, I would like to tell you, whatever vaccination has been given directly from the company to the hospitals, the government doesn't have any information about it. Secondly, since the investigation is going on, it is too early to say whether the BMC people were involved or not. So far, as per the police information, the people who have been arrested have robbed these people from the private hospital as well as government also. The investigation is going on. Let it comes from the police mouth exactly what has happened. Then only we can say whether the municipality was involved or not.
But my question, the first question which I asked, don't you think so that Mumbai police took too much time? Because this incident first got reported on Tuesday evening when the residential society reported that there is something which has happened in our society, and we feel that there is a kind of a scam because we are getting these kind of certificates from different hospitals. After that, one production house came saying 150 people were vaccinated in our premises, and they are also receiving the similar kind of certificates from different hospitals. Now, another production house has said that the same set of people have who have organized this camp in Kandivali Residential Society, they have organized camp in for us, and we haven't got this kind of certificate. So it's kind of this would have not been possible if there is any kind of connection, because there has to be some connection. So what exactly Mumbai police investigating from past 4 days?
See, it is a very technical case where there is no robbery or there is a murder where you can just file an FIR and get the people arrested. We had to first, the police has to see whether the vaccination was done in a proper way or not. And again, I'm telling you, it was the responsibility of the society to register with the BMC. Then the BMC would have come into the picture. Since they have not done that, and they are also going for a vaccination, so we don't want the society or the normal people to come into all this problem. That's why we went for a thorough investigation. In that investigation, so far we have found that some people had played a mischief. That's why the investigation is going on. We have arrested, and we will earn everyone who is involved in this.
Also, I would like to know, Mr. Sheikh, that the vials, basically from where these people procured the vials, because all the hospitals who are on their name, the certificates got issued, they clearly said that we have no connection with it, whether it's on Nanavati or the Kokilabad or any other hospital. So from where these people got these vials, whether these vials were original or fake or outdated, what exactly details, if you could share with us?
See, this is a part of an investigation. So far, the people who have been arrested are the people who made the certificate, or they robbed the data from the hospital computer. The main guy who did all this scam is on a run. So the moment the police catch him, and then we'll come to know exactly what happened, and then only the better clarification can be given by the police department.
The bigger question is now about the residents. Almost 4,000 people, if we consider these, I beg your pardon, almost 1,000 people, if we consider these 3 instances, have received the jab, and now they are worried whether they have got the authentic job or not. So what the state government's position right now, considering their health, what exactly the state government is going to do about these approximately 1,000 people who have received the jab, but they are not sure whether they have got original jab, the authentic jab or the fake one?
See, first we have to investigate whether the jab which they got it is a genuine or a fake, whether it was really done in a way they are supposed to do. Unless and up to the investigation is done, unless and up to we find out the factual position, we cannot comment what necessary step has to be taken.
That's what we heard from Guardian Minister of Mumbai, Mr. Aslam Sheikh, who clearly said and he confirmed that the 4 people have been arrested in the fake vaccination scam and investigation is underway. With camera person Sanjay Ranjit, Mayuresh Kanpate for Mirror Now from Mumbai.